So guys, we are going back for some activity. It's time to sunset. We'll look around what else we can do this evening. We have a couple of things in our mind. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. We just arrived here in Newcoast, Boracay, and what I saw here, Sonica tractor. This place looks very luxury, very calm. It's nice. So we arrive here, as I mentioned, in Newcoast, Boracay Newcoast, and this place is also I don't know which other places I'm going here in Boracay. Everything is next to each other, and top of every other. Oh no! There's a wedding going on here. Destination wedding. The place is awesome for weddings or any kind of corporate event or social events. See here, set up for the dinner for the new couple, and see this place. Oh god, that's nice. And that was the place where we want to go, but driver told us they can't take us there because it's very difficult to come from there, so he dropped us here, and now it's up to us if we have to go there, because we have to go to some other places. That's why we will just explore this area for some time and then we'll head back. The water is very clear here. I will just try to show you a bit. Still you can see this green stuff, which is not very good, but it's not that much. I'm gonna really miss this place because we didn't get that opportunity to explore. Oh yeah, here, that's what we are saying. I think this is not a correct time for this beach. He went up. I saw him.
He didn't went up. He went down again.
Ah.
Doon pa tayo sa Belmont.
I think kids sitting here. I think they will ask money. You working? You working here? You have a car? Show me the car. Pugu? What is Pugu? No English? Huh? English.
Video.
Ah, you want video? This is video.
Yeah. You want video? No.
Our photo? Ah, okay. You can do video?
Yeah.
Ah.
What thing?
Money? Money? He said, nah. I will take both of your photo. I have money, yes. Talk to them, nah.
Say how much?
Please, nah. I want to go to school. You talk to them, nah.
You have? I don't have money. Kung gawin din po. Proof pag tinip po. Proof pag. Look at each other. Look at each other. Sira yung lula. Kung gawin din po. Proof pag tinip po. Proof pag. Look at each other. Look at each other. Sira yung lula.
You will go to school tomorrow or joking?
No joking.
No joking? Sure. How much you making one day?
The money is
They give more money. How much you making in one day?
100.
Oh, no, don't tell me.
What?
I said how much you making in one day? He said 100 only. 100 you make already. Alright, ciao.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you for drone shot.
Ayaw niyo sa